What's up, family? Haji Bakari Sillah here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever typed a prompt into ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or whatever AI tool you're using, and the result came back kind of right, but not really? So you change a few words, run it again, still not right. Try again, still not what you wanted. Now you've wasted 20 minutes doing something AI was supposed to save you time on. Here's the truth. The problem isn't AI, the problem is prompting, and most people don't even realize it. Stay with me because I'm going to show you why prompting is becoming one of the highest income skills any business owner can learn. If we haven't met, I'm Haji Bakari Sillah, AI strategist, entrepreneur, founder of tchmedia.ai, and I spend my time helping small businesses use AI to generate more leads, automate follow-up, create content, and grow without hiring a huge team. And here's something you may not have noticed. There's a very good chance you're not actually watching me right now. You could be watching my AI avatar. This voice may be my AI voice clone. That's how far AI has come. I'm able to create content, let's teach, and stay consistent. Even when I'm working with clients, traveling, speaking at events, running my businesses, AI isn't replacing me, it's helping me scale me. And the funny part is, everything you're about to learn is exactly what makes this possible. If this video helps you think differently about AI, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Now let's talk about what's really happening. Most people think prompting means asking AI a question. That's not prompting, that's guessing. Imagine walking into a restaurant and saying, I want food. What happens? The waiter has to guess. Do you want pizza, a burger, a salad, the dessert? AI works the exact same way. The less direction you give, the more it guesses. And every guess moves you farther away from the result you actually wanted. Here's what changed for me. I stopped treating prompts like questions. I started treating them like instructions. Big difference. Instead of saying, write me a Facebook post, I tell AI exactly who it's for, what problem they're facing, what emotion I want them to feel, what action I want them to take, what tone I want, what format I want, what examples to follow, what not to say. Now, AI isn't guessing anymore, it's following directions. That's when everything changes. Here's the biggest mistake I see. People spend thousands of dollars chasing the newest AI tools. Every week there's another shiny object, another avatar, another video generator, another automation platform. But they never learn how to communicate with AI. That's like buying a Ferrari before learning how to drive. The tool isn't the advantage, the operator is. Once you understand prompting, every AI tool becomes better. ChatGPT gets better, Claude gets better, Gemini gets better, Perplexity gets better. Your image generators improve, your video tools improve, everything improves because the input improves. Garbage in, garbage out. Great prompt in, great results out. Here's the framework I use almost every day. I call it the 5-part prompt. Number one, give AI a role. Tell it who it is. Maybe it's a marketing consultant, a sales coach, a business strategist, a copywriter, a restaurant growth expert. Give it a job. Number two, give it context. Tell AI what's happening, who your customer is, what your business does, what's already been tried. The more context, the smarter the answer. Number three, be crystal clear about the task. Don't say, help me market. Say, create 5 Facebook posts that encourage restaurant owners to book an AI strategy session. A huge difference. Number 4, tell AI what success looks like. Should it sound professional, friendly, bold, funny? Should it include a call to action? Should it be under 150 words? Give it a target. Number 5, refine. Here's where most people quit. Don't accept the first answer. Have a conversation. Ask AI to improve it, rewrite it, challenge it, expand it, shorten it, Make it sound more like you. That's where the magic happens. AI isn't a vending machine, it's a collaborator. The people making the most money with AI aren't writing one perfect prompt, they're having better conversations. That's the shift. Prompting isn't about clever words, it's about clear thinking. The clearer your thinking, the better your prompts. The better your prompts, the better your business. And here's where I believe everything is heading. Prompting today is what learning Google was 20 years ago. The people who learn it early compound faster. They create content faster. They launch offers faster. They automate faster. They solve problems faster. And eventually, they outperform people who are still trying to figure out where to start. That's why I tell every business owner the same thing. Don't obsess over every new AI tool. Master the skill that works with all of them. Learn prompting, because once you know how to communicate with AI, you'll never look at your business the same way again. And before we wrap up, remember what I told you earlier, there's a good chance this entire video was delivered by my AI avatar. If you didn't know this, that's the point. Today, AI can clone your voice, create your avatar, and help you produce professional content at a scale that was impossible just a few years ago. But none of those tools matter if you don't know how to direct them. Prompting is the skill that brings all of it to life. If you want to learn how I built this avatar, clone my voice, write prompts that actually work, create content in minutes instead of hours, and build AI systems that help your business grow, join one of my live AI workshops. I'll show you the exact prompts, the avatar workflow, the voice cloning process, the automation systems, and the real world AI strategies we're using every single week. Click the link below to reserve your seat. And if you made it this far, leave a comment with the word avatar. I'll know you watched until the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.